Jamaican sprinter Yohan switch from sprinting to boxing. You know what I mean? The man come out swinging, accusing the IWF president, Lord Sebastian Coe, of killing the sport of athletics by cutting some of the events from the Diamond League, referring, of course, to the well-publicized removal of the 200 meters, 3,000 steeplechase, the discus, and the triple jump from the 2020 Diamond League Series. Blake proceeded to attack the athletics boss, saying all the events are important and it's a stupid move to cut some events. And instead of building the sport, Lord Coe is killing the sport. Lord Coe is down for the count. He was down for the count. But hey, the athletes have been crying out, as they should. But I am not sure that Lord Sebastian Coe is to be blamed. I mean, any event that gets cut, athletes will be affected. And again, these athletes must realize and accept that the world of sports don't revolve around athletics. If they really want to rescue and keep athletics alive, they must stop the chattings and go run some fast times and break some world records and smile and laugh and play to the gallery like the great Usain Bolt. Otherwise, by next year, the Diamond League might very well be cut again.